Okay, my dear ones, today again we are here as it is Saturday. There is no regular class on Saturdays. We have only speaking session, and you know there is a very important thing in our life without which we can't survive, and that thing is very necessary for us. You know very well, and there is a thing without which we are not able to express our views, to tell anyone what is there in our mind. There used to be a time when there was not such a means to communicate with other people, with each other. So that time ancient people tried different ways to express their views. But now we have a thing by which we can express ourselves. And you know very well what is that thing. I think you have guessed. And that is our language. But today I am not talking about a particular language like Hindi language, English language. No. Today you have to tell that what is the importance of a language, not of English language, but a language in general. What is the use? What is the importance of a language? How can you say that it is very important in our life? And you have to tell also the ways using which we can learn a language, we can speak a language. So I won't tell you anything about it because you know very well what is a language, what is the importance of a language, why a language is necessary for us, and how can we learn a language. How many ways are there to learn a language? You know very well about it. I tell you about it. And so now, very good. And I have started the names. So first of all, I have got the name of Rakshit. And Gaurav would like to sing a song of any Hindi film. And we leave on him whether he likes to sing a song of old movie or new movie. Because he has written his name first. So yes, Gaurav, come on, I invite you for a song. Come on, please.
साला आज बहुत मजा आएगा सर
हाँ,
मैं टॉपिक
चल तो फिर टॉपिक पे बोलना है तो नाम लिख दे अपना। वो तो हमने गाने के लिए ही लिखा था, अब तुमने वहां पे मना कर दिया
अरे
तो हमने आगे बढ़ाई नहीं बात। अंजलि वुड आल्सो लाइक टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग। अंजलि फर्स्ट, द गर्ल whom I call with love, Sugli, because
सर
no, okay. So you have to write your name again if you want to speak. And the students of B21 are free from this foundation. They are not bounded to speak on the topic of today, but they are free to speak on anything, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, about them, about their parents, about their friends, about their teachers, about their house, about their colony, about anything, about this class. But I think you would not be able to speak about this class today. So they are free and try to speak. And if not, then try to listen so carefully that you can perform when you get any chance. So, and first of all, I have got the name of Rakshit. So, I invite my dear Rakshit to express his views upon the language, upon a language. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is a language. As we all know that what is a language? A language is a means of communication by which we can express our views and can connect to the people.
Hmm.
And there are various types of languages, but a language is a language becomes a language when it has its own words
सब लोग
and
ध्यान से सुनो,
vocabulary,
बच्चा समझ में
etc.,
कितना भी है, ध्यान से सुनो। हाँ
and
बोलो बेटा।
grammar, etc.
हम्म,
And there are different types of languages in this world, and people use them to communicate with the people of that place or any other place.
शाबाश।
And we know that in ancient period there was no language, but people use a thing that we can call a sign language, by which they used to express their views, like
शाबाश।
they make paintings and drawings of the things and express their views.
हम्म,
But as we evolved, we get we we have got a way to communicate with others, and that is a language.
हम्म,
And we can learn a language by two ways: first, to live in the environment, and in this case, as we live in the environment, slowly we listen the language.
स्लोली दो
And
बार नहीं बोलते हैं बेटा, एक बार ही बोलते हैं, और
okay
ग्रेजुअली भी
sir,
यूज कर सकते हो आप इसके लिए,
okay sir,
ग्रेजुअली।
okay sir, gradually we learn the language by listening the words in our daily life.
हम्म,
And but if you want to learn the language from the other way, so the second way is to learn the language by its grammar, vocabulary, and etc.
हम्म।
And in
एंड
this way,
नहीं, नॉट एंड बिफोर एटसेट्रा। ओके।
okay sir, okay sir, in this way you have to learn the language mm, by 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 practice and guidance. First of all, you have to practice the grammar of the language, and then you have to learn the vocabulary of the language, and then you learn the language. And language answer, that's it.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। नाउ अर्शित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Mora, and today's my topic is language. As you all know well, that we are human beings, and to communicate with each other and to share our feelings, we need a language so that we can communicate with each other and share our feelings that are in our soul or in our mind. And a language is very important for us because it is a way by which we can communicate, learn new things, and by it we can express our feelings, that how we are feeling at, at the time. And language can be learned by two methods. First one is by being in the environment of that language, which we all do with English. Oh, sorry, sir, Hindi language. And like this, we can learn a language very easily without knowing its grammar and anything else. And the second method is by learning. Second method is learning language by grammars and vocabulary. Such things are useful for us to learn any type of language by which we can communicate in that language, which is not in our daily use. And if we are not in the environment of that language, we will have to learn that language only with the help of grammar. And as we all know very well, that nowadays it is very necessary for us to language is very important for us to communicate and to get jobs to earn our livelihood. So in my view, language is one of the most important thing that a human being has. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग सुशील। सुना करो आप
Yes,
इनको
sir.
बहुत अच्छे से, ये बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गए हैं लोग, इनको सुनो
Hello
आप,
everyone.
इसीलिए बुलाता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे, समझ गए ना? आप लोग सुनोगे आप अच्छे से, सब यही सिस्टम को इसको फॉलो करो। ओके, बोलो बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from from 16, and today I am here with a new topic whose name is a language. As we know that we all are human beings, and to live we need a language, because our language helps us to communicate and to share our feelings and thoughts. It is the most important thing for human beings because if they don't have it, I think that it is not possible to survive for them. There are many languages in our world like Hindi, English, Marathi, Punjabi, Gujarati, French, Chinese,
Hmm.
etc. And these all languages has their own importance in their country.
Hmm.
And now I tell you the ways of learning it. There are two ways to learn it. First is living in environment. How? And how can we learn living in an environment?
Hmm.
To illustrate, I am taking an example. A birth child doesn't know that what should he call his father,
Hmm.
but his mother and his father and all his family members tells him that yes, this is papa.
Hmm.
मतलब it means he can't speak fluently and properly, but gradually he learns from them. And being in environment, he become used to with his
शाबाश
language.
बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And the second way is by its grammar,
Hmm.
because as you know that every language has its own grammar,
Hmm.
and grammar is set of many rules which helps us to make a sentence and to understand easily and to write
Hmm.
effective.
Hmm. Effectively. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Adverb बनाओ उसको. हाँ.
Effectively.
Hmm.
Uh, and generally, a language starts from three steps. First is alphabet, then word, and then sentence.
Hmm.
Alphabet like A, B, C, K, U, and word he, she, pen, table, phone,
Hmm.
and a sentence he is going to market. He has a pen, and he has many cars, etc.
Nice explanation. Very good. शाबाश.
Uh, and And as I told you that grammar is set of many rules.
Hmm.
And but if we want to learn any language, uh, a new language, so we should know our own language
Very good.
because we have to translate the second language.
Hmm.
Suppose that we have came here to learn English language.
You have come. Hmm.
Yes, sir. And we know English, then we are able to learn English. If we had not English, if we had not Hindi language, we could not learn English language.
Hmm.
So I think that to learn new language, we, we should have command on our own language.
Hmm.
And in earlier time, people don't have a
Didn't have.
particular.
Didn't have. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Earlier time, people did not have a particular language, but they used to communicate with moving their hands and
Hmm. Hmm. By gesture. Yes. Hmm. डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. यही सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है बस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का. या सुशील. हाँ बोलो.
yes,
कंप्लीट करो.
yes, sir. So, seeing the importance of a language, we can say that a language is very important for human beings. Sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा विचार. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. आदित्य. डॉन नावत.
Yes, sir.
डॉन नहीं बोला मैं तेरे को. डोनावत बोला है. डोनावत.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is a language. As you know that so many languages in our world,
There are
uh,
so many languages. थोड़ा सा ढंग
there
से
are
बनाओ सेंटेंस इसको. हाँ.
there are so many languages in our world like Hindi, English, Japanese, Chinese,
शाबाश शाबाश, अच्छे सेंटेंस बना.
French, and Marathi, etc. So, like we go anywhere and we don't know how what he or she say. So our language is Hindi and their language is Japanese. So we don't know that what he say that. So this is very big mistake in our life because we
Mistake,
don't.
not mistake, but problem.
This is very big problem in our life because we don't learn any language, so we don't talk any other country people. And this is very big problem in our life because in our India so many states like
There are so
Punjab.
many states. There को use किया करो ऐसे सेंटेंस में.
Yes, sir.
आगे बोलो.
Like Punjab, Gujarat, Bangalore, and West Bengal, etc. And there are so many languages in our India, but some people cannot say that languages because
Cannot speak. Say क्या होता है?
sorry sir, they cannot
ध्यान से बोल.
speak.
फोकस कर थोड़ा. फोकस वीक है तेरा. फोकस ठीक कर अपना.
They cannot speak that language because they don't know that what the person say. And like we are a Rajasthan person and they are a West Bengal person, so we don't know what he say. And this is very big problem. At last I want to say that we should not give up in our life. We only practice in our life. With the help of practice we learn any language and we speak any other country language and our country language. So that's it.
शाबाश. थोड़ी सी और कोशिश कर अभी, है ना. अभी कमियां है, थोड़ी सी सुना कर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को और फिर उसके हिसाब से नेक्स्ट टाइम पे और अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया कर. समझ गया ना?
Yes sir.
बोल. क्या है?
क्या हुआ?
तू बोला सर, तो कुछ बोलना है तो बोल. फिर सर का मतलब क्या है? मुझे लगा तो कुछ कहने वाला है. यस कोमल. यस कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Verma, and I'm the.
बोलो. बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Verma, and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today our topic is a language. We all know that language is very important for us, and without language we can't communication, and we can't.
Communication कैसे? Communicate. Verb use करो.
Yes, sir. And we can't express our views, and we can't express our views, and we can't explanation our.
Explanation क्यों? Verb form use करो यहाँ पर, noun नहीं.
Sorry,
थोड़ा
sir.
focus करो. हाँ.
And all languages are very important for us, and all languages have own grammar, and all languages have own importance, and languages are very necessary for us because without language we can't learn anything, and language is very important, and with the help of language we get education, and we, with the help of education, we learn many things like grammar and basic things. And with the help of language, we can learn also many different types of languages. And
शाबाश.
we all know that there are many types of languages like Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, English, etc. And we should, if possible, we should learn all languages, because
बढ़िया बेटा.
if
हाँ.
we go to somewhere and there we can speak on that language, and we can explain our views on that time. And if we, and English language is also important nowadays, because English language has own importance nowadays. And with the help of English language, we can achieve all things. And in the English language, all work all work is done, like business, teaching, and communication, and etc. And English language is worked is everywhere. And if we learn many types of languages, but it is not correct that we forget our mother tongue. And our mother tongue is Hindi language, and Hindi language is also important for us. And we should respect all languages, but we don't forget our
Should not.
mother tongue. That's it, sir.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. ठीक है बेटा. Yes, Anvi from B21.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anvia of batch B21. Today, I am talking about our feedback of this class.
Very good.
When I come on batch 21, I think I do not know how to make sentences, but slowly I can understand how to make
अरे वाह यार.
how to make sentences.
शाबाश बेटा. बोल बोल बोल. अच्छा बोल रही है.
I learned many things from this class. First, when I have come 2-3 days, I am very bad to speak in English, but slowly I can understand how to speak English, so I can speak. I can speak few sentences.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And so that's it.
अरे वाह शाबाश. वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया बोलेगे बेटा. देख तू अभी. शाबाश. वेरी गुड बेटा. यस. लक्ष्मी गुजर. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो सब. हाँ.
My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about language. Language is a very necessity in our life. There are many types of language like French, English, Hindi, Bengali, etc. All language has
have their own. ओवन ऐसे नहीं है तो have their own.
Have their own importance. And language is a system of conversation.
शाबाश. हाँ.
By sweet language, you can build positive relationship with others and
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
make them feel happy.
बहुत बढ़िया है.
And we can easily discuss by any topic by a good language.
With a good language. You're using a good language. हाँ. हाँ बोल बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. बोलती रहे. हाँ.
Language skill are valuable in education. And there are 3 types of language. First, factually and thoughtful and slogan. and we can express our views and ideas, and we can communicate others people's.
with other
And
with others, yeah, with other people. हाँ बोल.
if we live in English environment, so we can easily speak in English language. If you go to another country and you don't know how to speak French and Hindi, you can't communicate to others.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
Environment is very important to learn language, and second, the focus is very important to learn any type of language, and we should learn language. If you like any language, so you should learn this language, and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. तेरी थिंकिंग पावर बहुत अच्छी होती जा रही है आजकल. शाबाश. ये सब
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस से है बेटा, कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है ना. वो भी एक दौर था, अब ये भी एक दौर है.
Yes, sir.
यही है असली तो. वो तो कुछ नहीं था, वो तो सब जीरो बटा सन्नाटा चलता रहा मामला. यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session. And today our new topic is language. You know very well that a language is a source that we, with the help of this, we can communicate with to each others. And you know very well, in India there are 22 languages spoken, and Hindis are the official language, and it is also called mother tongue. And you know very well, if we are in another country, in another town,
शाबाश,
and
शाबाश.
we
हाँ.
don't know we don't know their local language, so with the help of English language we can communicate with others. And you know that there are many languages like Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Chinese, French, Dutch, etc. And if we want, every language has its own grammar, and every language is not hard, and
no language is hard. ऐसे. अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है आपका.
Yes.
वो भी ठीक है. हाँ बोलो.
no language is hard, and language is very important for human beings. And in our Indian Constitution, there are 22 languages are written, and a person, sorry sir, in India there are 28 states, so a person who speaks Marwari and Rajasthani, that person is called Rajasthani person. And a person who speaks Gujarati, and that person is called Gujarati. And all languages are very important. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. थोड़ी सी रीडिंग बढ़ाओ बेटा. रीडिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी. लिटरेचर है ना तुम्हारे पास तो.
Yes sir.
पढ़ा करो बेटा. रीडिंग
Yes, sir.
कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी थोड़ी सी, है ना. रीडिंग जरूर किया करो रोजाना.
Yes sir.
Yes, now I am calling Gaurav. Though he didn't sing a song for us, but now I invite him to speak on the topic. Yes, come on Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Gaurav here and my today's topic.
आराम से ऐसे मत बोले. आराम से. देखा भी कैसे बोला है लोगों ने, इसीलिए तेरे को मैंने पहले नहीं बुलाया था. थोड़ा सा
My
अच्छे से, हाँ,
today's topic
इतना
is
धीरे धीरे भी नहीं बोलना है, फ्लो में
but
बोल थोड़ा
today's
सा इंसानों की
topic
तरह, हाँ.
is importance of language. So, importance of language, we all know that we can't speak without a language. We can just communicate with signs, but it's very difficult. And the easiest way to communicate is language. There are many languages in the world, over 200 languages. There are over 200 languages in the world. Most spoken language in the whole world is English. And there are many languages, for example, English, Hindi, Chinese, Korean, and British English, American English, Spanish, French, Russian, Urdu, etc., etc. So a language has its own structure. Well, that's another topic. But today we are just discussing the importance of a language. So the most important thing I know is that we can communicate very easily because we can learn it from our environment or from learning it or practicing it. We can practice a language to learn it, or we can live in the environment of that language. That if that we know that if there is an Indian, he will know Hindi because he is born in India and always lived in the environment of India and the Hindi language. But if an Indian is born in international, like he is born in London or in USA, so he will learn the American language, the English, American English, or the British English. So this is the environments you can learn in language with environment. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड.
क्यों
बहुत थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. थोड़ा सा फ्लो को थोड़ा सा ठीक करो आप, है ना, फोकस और डेवलप करो आप. फोकस एकदम और अच्छे से लेके फ्लो आ जाएगा अपने आप. यस, कम ऑन. हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? कुछ बोला किसी ने? ओके, कम ऑन प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is language. So, as we all know very well, that language is the very important thing in our life, and it is the existence of human. And now I'm telling what is language: the system of communication by which we can share our views, thoughts, and talks and feelings to others. It is the language, and language is the source of communication by which we can share our thoughts to others and stay connected with others. And with the help of language, we can build our relationship with others. Without language, we can't do any interactions with others. And I think each language shows each language shows its culture, like the history, values, and tradition of that society. And language is the identity of a person,
शाबाश.
that shows that from where he has come. And language is the key of education by which we can get education, because without language we can't get any education. And we can express our views, thoughts in many ways, like by singing, music, and painting, by poetry and literature also. And in last, a person can express his thoughts better in his own language. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। बस ऐसी कोशिश करो, बस घबराया मत करो
Sir, I
बिल्कुल भी।
want to
सही गलत
speak.
कुछ नहीं। नाम लिखा तुमने अपना? Did you write your name? Follow the system fast. Write your name, then I will ask you to speak. Come on, खुशी।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
Hello.
एक मिनट रुक जा खुशी, रुक जा। चल भाई तू आजा, पहले आजा, बोल। एक छोटी सी बच्ची है हमारी सुगली सी, बोल। हाँ बोल, अब जल्दी बोल, कैमरा चालू करके बोलेगी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name
नहीं,
is
कैमरा
Anjali.
चालू करो तुम। Yes, like that. Now you speak. Now speak.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena. I study in class 3rd. My topic is language. Languages so many like Japanese, Korean, Chinese, English. But my the grammar was very important in every language, but my mother tongue is Hindi. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा। अरे इतनी हिम्मती तो करनी है, और करना ही क्या है, हिम्मती तो चाहिए तुम लोगों की बस। यस कम ऑन खुशी।
सर गौरव बोल रहा था कि 2 लाइन कहनी है।
हाँ हाँ 2 लाइन कह दी ना तूने। बी हैप्पी बोल दे, गौरव को भी देख, बोल दी मैंने। हाँ बोल, आजा खुशी, आजा खुशी गुजर, आजा बेटा। माइक चालू कर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोल।
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic is what is importance of language. There are many languages like Hindi, English, Japanese, and Gujarati, etc. Language is very important uh, because without language we can speak. Language is the key of conversations.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ
We can easily discuss to other
with
with
others।
the
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
others. We can express our thought, feelings, and ideas to other. Language is very important to us because with the help of language we can build good relationships and we can develop intellectually.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया।
And we can understand culture. Language is a fertile tool understand for other culture and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है बेटा। अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड्स भी आने लग गए। कोशिश किया कर वजह से, बिल्कुल है ना। हाँ ये जिनको तो 2-2 3-3 साल हो गए, पर तू बहुत अच्छे से कोशिश किया कर, बस कुछ नहीं करना है, इधर कॉन्फिडेंस रखा कर, ठीक है। ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं बोलते समय, कुछ नहीं, अच्छे से करो, सबके साथ होता है, सबके साथ अच्छा हो जाता है। यस कम ऑन रोहित भाई, आए तो थे, नहीं दिख रहे। रोहित, हर्ष, कोई नहीं दिख रहा है, आजा। कम ऑन रोहित, आवाज नहीं आ रही, माइक चालू करो। माइक भी चालू है, आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी। चलो इनको बाद में बुलाते हैं, ठीक करने के, आने दो इनको। कम ऑन मधु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumar Meena. Today my topic is language. Language is very important for us and necessary. Without language, we can't express their our views and thoughts. Uh, the meaning of language, a system of sounds and writing. Uh, human being at human being used to express their ideas, thoughts, and feelings. With the help of language, we can express our feelings and emotions. We can share our happiness with the to friends and then family members. Uh, by the language, we can uh, by the language we can get a job and we can interact to each other.
शाबाश. टू अदर्स, टू ईच अदर नहीं, कोई बात नहीं,
To others.
ईच अदर भी चल जाएगा. हम बोलो आराम से, ऐसे बोलो, बस अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
There are many types of languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, etc. Some languages are easily for us because we live in its environment, but some languages are not easy
हाँ तो
because
किसी जैसा जरा ना
अरे बेटा माइक बंद करो तुम्हारा. हाँ तुम बोलते रहो मधु.
we do not live in its environment. So we with the help of focus and consistency we can learn any language and increase our skills and uh, the english language are uh, the english language are very important because yes sir is हाँ sir
फोकस करो.
is very important because uh, the help of English we can get any business. We can get any business. Oh, sorry.
Can develop any business.
Any develop any business, and we can share our thoughts easily in English. And we should do exercise for listening, learning, and speaking, and we that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. गुड, वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी. यहाँ आए हो तो यहाँ तक आगे, तो अब आगे बढ़ने में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. बस जो कहता जाऊं करते जाओ. यस कम ऑन रोहित. रोहित आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी. माइक चालू है. रोहित ठीक करो, तुम्हारा कुछ ऑडियो सिस्टम खराब है. ठीक करके आओ इसको फटाफट से. रोहित हर्ष दोनों. यस कम ऑन काजल. काजल वेयर आर यू? Is Kajal here? I think she is also not here. She has gone. Okay. Now, Sarita. Come on.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Yes.
Good evening to all of you. I am going to topic is advantages of online class.
बोलिए.
Online learning offers numerous advantages, including flexibility and in scheduling and location, saving time and money, and access to a wider variety of courses. Flexibility and convenience,
क्या हुआ?
reduce costs,
क्या हुआ बेटा?
and improve your critical thinking, global collaboration. Flexibility में learn at your own pace and schedule, fitting studies
बहुत अच्छा मैडम, बहुत अच्छा.
around work and other communicate commitments. and self-discipline, develop the management and organization skills. Online through online learning and continuous learning, access online learning resources and courses are of ongoing classes, development and sorry sir, that's it.
सॉरी मत बोलो, आपने तो इतना बोल लिया, हमारे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है। बाकी तो हम
Thank you.
देख लेंगे, बाकी तो हम देख लेंगे। अब हमें पता भी चल गया ना कहाँ पर क्या पूछो, वो तो हम देख लेंगे अपने आप चिंता मत करो उस चीज की, है ना।
Thank you sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। ऐसे परफॉर्म करते रहो बस, हम लोग और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बाकी तो मैं देख लूंगा अपने आप। ठीक है, आपको बस इतना ही करना है, अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी रखो, रेगुलरिटी रखो, मेहनत करो, बाकी सब मैं देख लूंगा अपने आप। ओके
Okay, thank you sir.
यस, ओके मैडम। यस, नाउ आई थिंक रोहित, हर्ष आर नॉट हियर एंड काजल हैव यू कम? Kajal is not also here. And now I am calling Pinky Olia. Pinky Olia. और तुम्हारा और किसका नाम है? और तो किसी का नाम मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा, पर मुझे किसी के एक्सप्रेशन से लगा कि नाम लिखो फटाफट से, अपने अपने बस खत्म होने वाला है प्रोग्राम। जल्दी करो, अपने नाम, घबराया मत करो, डरा मत करो। तुम किसी भी, देखो मैं कितनी, भी सरिता ने कितने अच्छे से कोशिश की है। लाइक दैट। मनीषा जिंदा हो जा। Yes, come on now. Kajal nahi hai sir idhar. Pinky Olia. Yes, Pinky.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Raman Online Today classes. Today I am telling language. What is the language? Language is very important role in our life. There are many types of language like Hindi, English, Marwadi, Rajasthani, Chinese,
इधर तो ध्यान
Bengali.
दो, फोकस करके बोल, तब बोल पाएगी ढंग से। आधा ध्यान इधर, नहीं कुछ नहीं, भूल जा सब कुछ दुनिया जो चल रहा है। बोल फटाफट से अब।
We can speak by language. Language is very important in our life. We can understand our thoughts, every person. And we can speak our mind thoughts.
बोलती रहे, कुछ मत सोचे। तो तेरे को खुद का ही भरोसा नहीं होगा खुद के ऊपर, तो हर सेंटेंस पे अगर डाउट करेगी तो कहाँ से बोलेगी? बोलती रहे तू, हम तो कुछ बोल नहीं रहे तेरे को अभी, कैसे बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे बोलती रहे बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। अब तू हर सेंटेंस में सोचेगी मैंने गलत बोल दिया, तो फिर नहीं बोल पाएगी, 50 साल तक नहीं बोल पाएगी, डोकरी हो जाएगी, तब भी नहीं बोल पाएगी। बोल आगे। मुझे पता है ना तेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश किया कर बस। गलत ये मत सोचा कर कि गलत हो रहा है, मैं नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ, तब खत्म, खेल वहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगा। नेगेटिविटी वही चीज होती है बस, और नेगेटिविटी तुम्हारे अंदर घुस जाती है बस, अरे बारे बारे करने लग जाते हो। नेगेटिविटी जिस दिन छोड़ दोगे उस दिन जिंदगी में कहीं के कहीं पहुंच जाओगे। यस, कम ऑन भैया, जिनका नाम निकल गया है वो आ गए हो तो बता देना। काजल, रोहित, हर्ष। कुछ सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम है, उसके फोन में भी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी। यस, कम ऑन नाउ, आई एम कॉलिंग गर्वित।
Yes, sir. Today I am telling P20 which I thought I could not write, I could not learn and write sentences English slowly. I practice of English.
कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है। हाँ, बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही तेरी, कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तेरी। बोल, अब बोल फटाफट से।
फिर को जगह चेंज करता हूँ।
हैं?
यस सर।
अब बोल।
यस सर।
बोल।
Hello guys, my name is Garvit. Today I am tell when I come on P21 match. When I come on
खड़ा हुआ वहीं खड़ा होके बोलो। हाँ।
Hello guys, my name is Garvit. Today I am tell when I come on P21 match. I thought I could not write and learn sentences of English slowly. I practiced
write sentences and learn English.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया.
Slowly, I realize what is a trick to learn English and write sentences of English. Sir, that's it.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, बस इतना कर लोगे फिर हम देख लेंगे. मेहनत करे जाओ बस तुम. Okay? Very nice. शाबाश.
Yes, sir.
सबको कोशिश करनी चाहिए ऐसे ही. सही गलत मत करो, सोचो हम देख लेंगे वो तो. आप तो बोलो बस. Yes, now I am calling Ria.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Ria Meena. Today, our topic is language. The language is most important for human beings. Many types of language in this world, like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, English. But my favorite language is Hindi because it is my mother tongue. But the English language is also necessary for us. So I want to learn this language. Without language we cannot express our thought, emotions. The help of language we can get any job. The help of language we can live anywhere, and the help of language we get job and interact to others. We cannot imagine without language. We cannot imagine without language. The language is key of success. The language is key of success. That's it, sir.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Oh, बहुत बढ़िया है. कोई नहीं. First class. शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे ही. ऐसे सीखते हैं बेटा. This is the way. Yes, come on, Rashmi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi and my topic is language. Language is a system of communication which used by the people of a particular country in the world have many languages. French, Tamil.
The world has many languages.
World has many languages: French, Chinese, English, Korean, Hindi, etc. In our India have too many languages like Marathi,
इन नहीं
Gujarati,
लगाते बेटा. उधर
Rajasthani.
have लगा दिया ना तो इन नहीं लगाते फिर अपन. India has ऐसे बोलो.
Our India has too many languages like Marathi, Gujarati, Rajasthani, Tamil, etc. Some peoples use sign language. They don't use words for communicate because they don't have ability to speak. They lost their ability to speak. But they use their hands for communication and help and write their words with their words. And some people draw a painting for express their feelings. We shouldn't say they are not able to speak, but we have two ways to learn any language. First, environment. Environment is very important for us if we want to learn any language. So we have environment of any language. And second is grammar of any language. Grammar help us to how to make sentences of any language. In grammar has many things like alphabet, tense, vocabulary, etc. With the help of grammar we can make sentences. Language help us to make good relations with others. If we talk nicely to the people, so we can make good relation
with others, with peoples. If we don't talk nicely to others, so we can't so we can so we can't make good relation with others. Language is the identity of any person that tell us where we are from.
हाँ शाबाश करो कोशिश करो ऐसे
If we want talk to any person, so language help us to communicate others. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया थोड़ी रीडिंग किया करो बेटा है ना छुट्टियां चल रही हैं अभी तो थोड़ा सा कुछ पढ़ा करो ओके नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग किरण B21
Today's my topic, my grandmother. My grandmother name is Nathi Devi. She gets up early in the morning. She go to temple daily. She puts on sari. She puts on sari. She is a very hardworking woman.
शाबाश ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोलते रहो बेटा कोशिश करते रहो बस हाँ
She tells us the story.
स्टोरीज हटा दो स्टोरीज कोई बात नहीं बोल दो घबराओ मत उठाओ बोलो आप बोलते रहो
She cares help members.
बोल घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी मत घबरा तू बोलती रहे बस
She cooks food very well. She eat dinner at 10 p.m.
बढ़िया था क्या बेटा
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा बस है ना यस शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया फास्ट आप बहुत जल्दी बोलने लग जाओगे मनीषा आ जाओ हाँ बेटा
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. My name is Manisha. I am from batch 21 of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes.
शाबाश
And today's topic is language. So, a language is a medium by which people communicate. In easy way, we can say that a language is a medium by which people express their
शाबाश
emotions and their views and their thoughts to others, and a language is used to understand others' thoughts, feelings, and views. And a language has three types. We can express a language, we can communicate with people in three types: in sign language, and in written language, or by speaking. Every country has a different language, and the country may have one or more different languages in different areas. As we all know, in India, there are a lot of languages. In India, every state has a different languages,
वेरी गुड
and that's it. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया अब देख ले अपने को लगता है बेटा ऐसे कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे बस अब तू सुन लेना खुद सुन लेना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना मेरा जजमेंट
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
गलत नहीं हो सकता बेटा मेरे साथ बहुत टाइम तक रहे हो आप मुझे मालूम है इसलिए घबराया मत करो बस परफॉर्म क्या करो नेगेटिविटी निकाल दो दिमाग में से बहुत आगे निकल जाओगे समझ गए ना नेगेटिविटी तो रोकती है हमारे को अब देख ले तू खुद सुन लेना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग चल कैसे बोला है तूने यस
Okay, thank you.
मेरे को थैंक यू मत बोल खुद अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई कर पहले तो रिकॉग्नाइज कर जरा चीजों को समझ इस बात को कि हाँ है कुछ हमारे अंदर भी मतलब तेरे अंदर भी कुछ है ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कैसे ब्लैंक हो जाओगे यार मैंने सिखाया है तुम्हारे को ऐसे कैसे ब्लैंक हो जाओगे आप ऐसे कैसे ब्लैंक हो जाओगे आप ठीक है चलने में थोड़ी कुछ भी नहीं 2 दिन में तो रेडी हो जाओगे आप अंजलि कम ऑन
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. Today, my topic is languages. There are many languages in the world, like Hindi, English, French, Japanese, and Tamil, Urdu, etc. And with the help of language, we express our
शाबाश
thoughts,
शाबाश वेरी गुड बोलते
feelings,
रहो हाँ
preference, and etc. Without language, we can't express our thoughts, our feelings, and etc. And that language we can't imagine. Can't imagine our life, and with the help of language, we can't. Sorry, with the help of language, we go other country, and we
घबराए मत बोलते रहो तुम हाँ
communicate other people, and present time English language is most important, and with the help of English, we get knowledge and improve ourselves, etc. And my mother tongue is Hindi, and there are many languages in India like
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा वेरी गुड हाँ
Punjabi, Gujarati, and Rajasthani, Marwadi, etc. I like Hindi language, and I speak in Hindi, and I comfortable in Hindi.
आइए बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बस करते रहो प्रैक्टिस आप लोग यस कम ऑन मुस्कान सो गई क्या सो गई है तो देख लो सोती हुई दिखाई दे रही है सो रही है चलो कोई बात नहीं इसको आने दो बाद में प्रियंका आ जा बेटा
Yes, sir.
आ जा
My name is Priyanka. Is today's the topic
Yes, sir.
language.
मुस्कान एक मिनट रुक जा मुस्कान बोल प्रियंका तू बोल
ठीक है सर.
बोल प्रियंका बोल
My name is Priyanka. Today is the topic language. Many languages are spoken and other understand all over the world, in which Hindi language.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल मत घबरा तू बोलती रहे बस जो भी तेरे को बोलना है मैं देख लूंगा अपने
Other most importance. India, Korean, Asian, Chinese, etc. Hindi is the only language that is spoken and understand. That's it, sir.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया यार बस तू ऐसी कोशिश करती रहे और मेहनत कर सेंटेंस बनाने पे फोकस कर अभी हाल फिलहाल तो है ना बस हम सिखाएंगे तेरे को अंग्रेजी चिंता मत कर बस थोड़ा सा बर्दाश्त कर लेना कभी कुछ शक्ति हो जाए तो करना पड़ता है बेटा कई बार क्या करे हाँ मुस्कान आ जा
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and I today my topic is language. Language has many types like Urdu, Hindi, English, Korean, etc. And my mother tongue is Hindi, but in the present time, people give importance. Sir, they
ठीक है ना गिव इम्पोर्टेंस टू
give English language.
हाँ ठीक है टू इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ओके बोल घबरा क्यों रही है इतनी
And English is a world language, and in the language language with and our language has grammar, and by grammar we can make sentences
शाबाश
and
शाबाश
and we can make sentences, and and with you can speak any language easily, and Hindi, and but my favorite language is Hindi. That's it, sir.
ओके बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे कोशिश कर और थोड़ा सेंटेंस बनाने में फोकस कर अभी B21 में, ठीक है ना? हाँ थोड़ा फोकस कर और थोड़ा सा अच्छे से कर काम। और कोई है, कोई और बोलना चाहता है? एनीवन? अनुज, कम ऑन अनुज। यस
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj.
तभी कुछ होएगा, बोलो। कोई बात नहीं है, मैं तो बुलवाऊंगा ये बाद में, पर कोशिश करो थोड़ा सा खुल जाओगे, बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj, and today we are talking about language. A language is a God-given, and it is the most expensive gift to us from God.
शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोलो बेटा, ऐसे शाबाश। हाँ
And their Sanskrit is the main language that God has given us. And English is not the language which God gave us. And English is the language which were made by people. And you know, our country has many languages, and India is I think India is the only country who has this much of languages. And in our state there is a one language of our state, that is Rajasthani.
शाबाश शाबाश,
But
बहुत अच्छा
that
बोल रहा है बेटा, बस बोला कर, कोशिश क्या करा।
there is a mistake that this Rajasthani language cannot be written, and there is no book of Rajasthani language and their alphabets.
शाबाश।
And in Rajasthan, their Marwadi, Dhundadi are not the languages; they are bits that are used to communicate in different districts of our state. And you know, Hindi is the only language which is almost spoken in all the states of our India.
Very good, शाबाश बेटा।
And a language helps us to communicate with each other and understand what we want to say and what the person want to say that is talking with us. And a language is important, and we should only love the language which is our mother tongue. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोला करना है ऐसे, ऐसे कोशिश कर, अभी तो 15-20 दिन में तो अच्छे से करने लग जाएगा। वेरी गुड। और कोई? आज बहुत सारे B21 के स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला, धीरे धीरे इसीलिए बुलाता हूँ, आपको सुनोगे, मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, बोलोगे, कोशिश करोगे, अपने आप आने लग जाएगा। और कोई बोलना चाहता है? बंद करूं मैं? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।